Hey everyone, Bottle Man Frank here. How you doing today? What you see in front of you is the Bf-109. This is a plane that I built a while ago. There's a fuselage. There are the wings. What I'm doing here is I'm rebuilding the nose section and how to and where the servo will be going. This aircraft, when I first flew it, it crashed. No surprise, I did it incorrectly. This time, after so many tries of, the great thing about this hobby is that you learn from your mistakes. So I learned from my mistake that I did this incorrectly by where I put the battery. The battery should go in the nose or somewhere over here and have a hatch where I can get to it, which that's what I'm doing right here. This is a hatch that will go here. The fuel tank usually would be here if it was a gas powered, but the battery will be there instead. This aircraft, I've always liked dogfighting type airplanes, and this is one of those dogfighting aircraft. So this is what's going on in the shop. This is one of my many kits that I have that I'm trying to get some of my other fuselage planes going. So I will show you guys on a video on how this is being done, and that way you can see the progress. And there we go. Model Man Frank out. See ya.